Hi pretties, welcome back. Jeans is an essential part of our wardrobe and we need jeans for all kinds of season and for all types of dresses. So first I would like to show you my picture of black plain jeans which is very essential for our wardrobe. Now let's begin with the blue jeans collection. Now I'm going to first show you my girlfriend fit jeans which is from Mango. It has a wide legs and also wide from the foot, and it has a tight fitting from the waist. So it's a kind of medium blue jeans. In summer you can pair it with any bright vibrant color of t-shirt as you can see, and in winter you can pair it with classic blue and black leather jacket. On second number I would like to show you my mid-rise jeans. It's from Fifth Avenue. It's also come under the category of middle blue color tone. As you can see, it is little faded from the top and the same pattern is made at the back side, and its cut is straight. So and there are also two pockets at the back side. So when you wear it, it's perfectly fit into your legs, and you can accessorize it with the help of belt and sandals. In winter you can make a statement by wearing it with long shoes and black coat as you can see in my picture. On third number I would like to show you my high waist laces jeans. It has a laces at the top. It has a black laces kind of pattern at the top, and you can see the high waisted patches, and from the back it has a zip. It's a kind of stretchy jeans, skin fitting jeans. It has a dark blue color tone, fit like a glove when you wear it, but to show its pattern you have to wear it with some kind of crop top as you can see in this picture. And if you are wearing it with t-shirt you have to tuck in order to show its design and pattern. Next jeans in my collection is kind of a light blue tone, and it has a white and red stripe to its sides, and sorry for the wrinkles, I don't have time to press it. You have to wear it with all white and red tones of tops and sweater, because these tones of tops and sweater will look more put together by pairing with this jeans. Next I would like to show you my bell bottoms jeans. It's from UXM. It's buttoned down from the waist. It also gives a very cool vibe. So and it has a 5 buttons from here, and you can adjust it according to your size. It's a kind of skin fitting from the waist, and it got a flare from the legs and from the bottom as I have told you earlier, because it's a bell bottom style. But they have made it little longer so that you can wear it with heels, but I don't always want to wear it with heels, so I got it hemmed and put this flare at the top to adjust it according to my size of legs. So it will give a very fashionable vibe even to your casual dresses, and you have already seen this in my white t-shirt lookbook. Now it's turn for my Puma dark blue stripe jeans. It's a light tone jeans but a dark stripe on which Puma is written. It is also very skin fitting jeans, and Puma stripe will give a very stylish and cool look to this jeans. But as it is of dark blue shade, so it will restrict the color combination which you have to wear it with this. And you can see from its bottom they have also did some overlock. You guys have seen me wearing this jeans with white t-shirt in lookbook. Next I would like to show you my high waist jeans. It's also from Mantra. It is a rusty blue color. It has a button down, and it has a big chunky buttons, and you can see its front pockets are like envelope and patches from the front legs, and from back it has a whole jeans as like a normal, and 2 pockets are given at the back, but the keeps envelope like pockets, and also the chunky silver buttons, and also the patches at the front. So it's also skin fitting type and very stretchy jeans, so it will give a very feminine and unique look whatever you wear it with. You can wear it with printed tops and t-shirt as well.